So now that hopes are high again that the Reggae Boys can qualify for the Qatar 2022 World Cup, despite all the positivity, we seem to be having some issues in central defense. Clearly, we're lacking in depth and quality, but also we're lacking in leadership in this critical area of the team. We never developed or groomed any young central defenders, and we don't have the time for that process right now. And with the World Cup qualification on the line, desperate times call for desperate measures. So I think we should invite Leicester City centre-half Wes Morgan out of international retirement to add experience, quality, and leadership to the Jamaican squad. Yes. We know Wes is 36 now and will be 37 by the time the qualifiers start. But he's still an active Leicester City player, still getting playing time in the EPL. Let us reach out to Wes and explain our plight and see if we can lure him out of retirement as reinforcement and support for Damian Lowe, Adrian Mariappa, and even Michael Hector. I think there's too much on the line not to give it a try. What do you say? Me not waiting on Coach Tapper Whitmore or the JFF to do this. This is now a maverick initiative. Yes, man, it's a SOS. It's a kind of half SOS. Yes, not a full SOS, but see that yes. And then how you turn it SOS. Boys, we need you, the boss. SOS. And how you spin it is SOS.